Hi everybody, happy Earth Day. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about the origins of Earth Day, and then I have an activity that I've chosen to celebrate Earth Day. So the first Earth Day was in 1970, April 22nd, and Senator Nelson of Wisconsin, after seeing all the damage that had been done in 1969 in a massive oil spill outside of Santa Barbara, California, was inspired to organize the first teach-in that focused on educating the public about the environment. So Earth Day, an event to increase public awareness of the world's environment and environmental problems, was celebrated in the United States for the very first time, April 22nd, 1970. Millions of Americans, including students from thousands of colleges and universities, participated in rallies, marches, and in educational programs across the country. The first Earth Day indeed increased environmental awareness in America, and in July of 1970, the Environmental Protection Agency was established by a special executive order to regulate and enforce national pollution regulations. Earth Day also led to the passage of the Clean Water Act, the Water Quality Improvement Act, and the Endangered Species Act, as well as several other environmental laws. So that kind of gives you a little bit of background about Earth Day and where Earth Day originated. All right, so on my webpage there are two videos for you to watch about different things that people are doing or can do in order to help the environment. And then there's a list of different things that you can choose from to do, ranging from the very simple as setting up a plan to conserve energy in your house by turning off lights, turning off the water when you're brushing your teeth, so get your toothbrush wet, turn off the water, brush your teeth, turn it back on, clean the brush off, spit, and turn the water off. So that's conserving water. So there's a lot of different things that you can do. You could take a nature hike and pick up trash. Make sure you wear gloves and don't pick up any needles or anything that looks off to you. It's best if you would go with your parents if you did a walk and picked up trash. But there's a list of about 12 or 13 things. So I found one that interested me, and it was making seed paper. So in order to make seed paper, you're going to need to have scraps of paper, which you can even use your junk mail that you get. And that's what I did. And I soaked it overnight. And then you're going to need some small containers. You're going to need a spoon, some parchment paper or wax paper, some seeds, and a blender, or you can use anything that would mash up the paper. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off, I have my paper that's been soaking overnight, and I'm going to go ahead and put it into my blender, and then I need to create this into a paste. So let me get this out of here. And once I create that into a paste, I'll have my base for my seed paper. So basically what I'm doing is I'm recycling this old junk mail and papers that I had thrown I was getting ready to throw in the trash or to recycle. Sometimes I put a big bag together and I take it over. My church has a place where you can throw paper into the bins and they will recycle it. They'll take it to the recycling center. So, all right. So I've got that in there, and I'm going to make this into a paste or a mash. And I'm going to turn my blender on. Stir this up a little bit. Turn this into a mash. It's getting there. mushy. I think I need to give it one more. Okay, let's see what I've got here. I've got it pretty much in a mash. All right, get this out of the way. And then I'm going to take my container and I'm going to take this mash paste of paper and spread that in the bottom. And then I need to add some seeds. And I just have a wildflower seed mix. Now I picked this up at Rural King and it was $1.99 for my seeds. I'm just going to take some of my seeds and sprinkle them in there and spread those around. I think I need a little more of the paste. Spread this around, and then I don't have, on the video they said that you can use like cookie cutters and make shapes of them. Well, I don't have any cookie cutters, so I'm just going to spread this onto my parchment paper. And kind of form it into a square as best I can, or a rectangle. And then I'm going to let that dry. And I can make several more of these with the mash that I've made. So, or the paste. It's got to be kind of pasty, they said, in order for this to work. So this time I took a little bit more. I'm going to take some more of my seeds. And then the goal is afterwards, then you can take this and plant this in your garden or plant this in a flower pot and your seeds will come up. And so you've recycled the paper and the paper then will go back into the ground. And I don't know why this is so hard to get out of here, but it makes it easier to spread the seeds around, I suppose. Okay. And I think I'm going to plant some of these out in the front in my flower bed. All right. So that is seed paper, and tomorrow I will do a short video to show you what my seed paper looks like. So choose one of the activities for Earth Day and try it out. And then there's also a sheet for you to fill out to tell me what you did and have your parents sign it. And that is for a grade. So happy Earth Day, enjoy yourself, and do something for planet Earth. All right, I want you to keep thinking, stay curious, and celebrate Earth Day. Have fun.